Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. If you are yet to subscribe and you do that, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trade on Swiss franc JPY. This is our trend. Our trade on Swiss franc JPY is a trend to the upside. We are clearly having an uptrend move. Now this is our impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, we were having a series of higher high and an higher low, which is very much clear and visible on your 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame. Then we have the corrective wave, which is the pullback. Then here comes the impulsive move. Here is the corrective wave. This is also the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective wave. Market has given us a new movement to the upside, which is the impulsive move that took out this previous high. So that's what we'll be expecting. And if you take a look at this here daily time frame, we've gotten a pullback, and next movement is another movement to the upside on Swiss franc JPY. So when you go to your 4-hour time frame, market is literally ranging within this. If market breaks below it and drop, then it means there will be a change in trend. If it does not do that, market will continue the movement to the upside. So our forecast is still to the upside on Swiss franc JPY. So market drops and break this low, then we might now want to change trend. So follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section.